These Chocolatier chai tea caramels start with sugar, cream, and of course, chai tea spices. The caramel is cooked to just the right temperature and then poured onto our slabbing tables, where it's plowed to the perfect height and allowed to cool. When the caramel is ready, it's picked up and brought to the enrobing belt. First, it's cut into long strips, then it passes under a special blade called a guillotine. The caramel travels down the enrobing belt, then through the chocolate waterfall. Once the center is coated in chocolate, each piece is individually marked. Once they're cool, they're packed up and ready for you to enjoy.